All right, guys, this is a very cool, large hardscape project in Huntingtown. We're going to kind of give you a walkthrough of the scope of the job while we're starting. Just started demo yesterday, so this will be a good kind of some before and after shots, right? So we're going to give you scope of work while we're getting started. We're going to show you the process while we're building it, and then we're going to show you the finished product. Awesome project spotlight, awesome yard here, doing a lot of work. We're going to start here in the front, replacing concrete sidewalks, right? So we're going to give a nice hardscape pavered sidewalk up to the front door and then all the way along the front of the house. So we've ripped out the concrete and we're going to replace this all the way across the front with pavers. So what we did here is we did our best to use the new paver color scheme to match existing stonework and brickwork that's on the house. And I think this came out really nice. This really ties in well with the existing brickwork. So with these pavers, man, you really get a lot of cool options to do stuff like that and try to make it all work together. So with these big 6-foot sidewalks, definitely gives it more of a grand entrance type deal. And if you have the space, you put landscaping on both sides of it, really gives it that big picturesque entrance to the home. Looks awesome. All right, so obviously here we're ripping out the steps coming out of that door and replacing the sidewalk up to the deck and giving them a whole new landing here. So we're in the demo process now. Watch as we start building the new stuff and it's gonna really come together. It's gonna be awesome. So we're putting up vinyl railing on these raised patios. So anything over 30 inches, 36 inches, we always give an option to put the vinyl railing there to meet code and just to be a safety feature for, you know, kids and pets and stuff from falling off of it. So it's definitely an option on top of these raised patios. We mount this right to the capstone on top of the wall.
Man.
Oh, look at you. Only 2 weeks late.
Yeah. The guy was still a fucking asshole.
Yeah.
I don't fucking get it. Like, why do you have to hate your fucking life so much? If you don't like your job, get a new one.
We know a lot of people will say that about you, Bob.
It's true, but, you know, I only hate my job like 50% of the time. The other 50%'s pretty fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you're lying, but that's okay.
I don't, maybe it's like a 60-40. I don't know, man. I like this job.
Yeah. It's fine. Everything's fine.
It's definitely mediocre, for sure.
Right.
It's a solid C.
Yeah. The best I got, man. It's the best I got.
The problem with my job are my problems, you know? Like
It's true.
It's not like... I mean, you've said it enough times, like, if there's a problem, just fucking fix it.
Yeah.
If not, don't fucking complain about it.
Be a grown-up, you know?
I'm with you.
Right. So this whole raised patio, right out the basement door, we're going to replace it. We're replacing the steps, the brick walls, everything up top. We're moving the hot tub, replacing everything here, making sure it's nice and structural. And then we're going to fix this flagstone accent wall where the garden goes. And all of this is going to be replaced with new structural block. All right, so another feature on these raised patios is you always have a capstone on top of the wall block. And what we can do here with the inlaid border is the capstone on the wall matches that inlaid border, and it really makes it pop off, gives it a little bit of character. I think it looks really sharp. So these are just some design options we have when we're working with the wall block and the pavers.